Hey guys, how are you doing? We all love English language, right? Everyone wants to learn English, when I speak English, so I have to go through a long journey. And this journey seems very difficult to someone, but we can make our English learning journey very easy by following some simple methods. You wanna know about that? Okay, let's know it. Do whatever you wanna do. What? You don't get that, right? I mean, you give priority to your choice in learning English. Some of you like to read storybooks, some like to watch movies, some like TV series, and some of you are on their phone all days. Do whatever you like. What we used to see in your own language, from now on, you will see it in English language. Very simple. Earlier, you used to waste your time, but from now on, you use your time. Every moment in life is precious, so don't waste it. To learn English, you need to improve your listening skills. We give high priority to word meaning in learning English. We think that first we'll learn some word meaning, then we'll learn grammar, then we'll start speaking English. And because of thinking like this, the journey seems more difficult to us. Guys, stop doing this. Just take it easy. Try to learn it by having fun, by chatting up with friends, and in any fun way. The more you try to learn it by enjoying it, the easier your journey will be. You guys can also watch cartoons. English is very clearly spoken there. And never be ashamed of making mistakes in learning. The more mistake you make, the more you learn, because mistakes help people learn. People learn through every single mistakes. So learning without mistake is impossible. So never be ashamed if you make a mistake. What we do in the beginning, we run behind learning word meaning. But do you know an interesting thing? Since our birth, we've learned the meaning of countless words without our knowledge. Although we are Bengalis, we use so many English words in our speech. But we don't know that. When you try to speak English, many words will come in front of us which you don't know the meaning of. Then we'll try to master those meaning little by little. Then the matter will be easier. There are some of you who get busy learning grammar and then get tired after 2 days and they say, I can't do it anymore. Actually, they're right. The method you're following in learning English is sure that you'll give up after a few days. Guys, stop doing this. You are learning a language, and every language has its own grammar. It's not a difficult matter, it's just a structure of a language. We haven't followed any grammar in learning Hindi language, then why in English language? You just master present, past, and future, and the rest of the thing you'll learn through listening and speaking, inshallah. Actually, this journey will be easy or difficult. It depends on you. It depends on the path you're following. And one more thing, success of anything you want to do or you want to learn, it depends on how eager you are to learn, how much confident you are in yourself, how much effort you put in. Alright? So what I think, if you really want to learn English, want to present yourself differently among everyone, don't waste your time. Start your fun journey now. And if you really want to speak like a native speaker, you can follow me. I don't mind. See ya.